Today, I'm going to talk about expectation theory by Victor Vroom. Despite Maslow with his pyramid of needs, Vroom is more focused on the result. This theory has 3 steps. First is expectation that the spent effort and time will lead to a result. You should understand clearly what you are doing will lead to the result. Only in that case, you will be motivated to do that. If you don't understand why you're doing that, well, you will not be that much motivated. And it's goal and obligation of management to explain you how what are you doing right now will help to the company. For example, if you organize more meetings, sign more contracts, the company will get more profit. And in order for you to work harder and more, you should have 3 conditions. The first condition is you should have all required resources. It's time, raw material, and information. You should have required qualifications is knowledge and experience. And third, you should have the support from the management. It's clear tasks, in-time comments from your management, and feedback after you do that. The second step of this theory is expectation that the result will lead to a reward. Well, if you do your job fantastic, you should know that you will get some reward at the end. Otherwise, why you should do that? You could do minimum and get your salary. And that is very important, and that is the reason why in the West, the car companies, they were developing and creating new cars, while in Soviet Union, nothing was changing. And the reason is that if the car manufacturer will create some new fantastic car, no one in that system of the government administration, no one will let the director of that company earn more money. Because in Soviet Union, the government was controlling the whole economy, everything. And they were not motivated to do some new or better cars. Well, third part of this theory is valency, is expected value of reward. Well, if you do another employee, your colleague, he organized meetings, signed contracts, company get profit, and then he hears that he will get plus 10% bonus. And he doesn't need that. The only thing he needs is promotion. That's important because for you, it can be okay to get 10% for that. Your colleague, promotion is important. For third, your colleague, plus 5 days for vacation is important. And that's the goal of the management, to know exactly how to deal with different kind of employees. What do they need? If you want to increase your motivation, ask yourself 3 questions. How possible are these tasks? Will you be able to do that? Second, what will you get reward for that? And third, what will you get? Is that what you need? And the obligation of management is to be sure that you will answer positive on all of these questions. And if management, for some reasons, will not provide you with any of these resources, let's say, it's your obligation to ask to urge for all of these resources. I mean, you should ask your management to explain you the connection of what you're doing with how it's going to help the company. You should let them know that you're expecting the reward. The normal management understand that and do that by themselves. And third, you should explain what exactly reward you're expecting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and bye-bye.